and my metric number is 05 DPM19F1042, and I'm from DPM3 Section 3. Today I will present about EOC from Business Law subject DPB30073.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Norshamimi Muhammad Taufik Abdullah and my metric number is 05 DPM19F1027.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurnisha Natasha binti Idi. My cut metric is 05 DPM 19F1130.
Next slide is issue on agency. Whether the Sandra who is still underage can be registered into business ordinary as trading in a partnership. The name of Mablis Piano Academy. Next is the most acceptable type of agency with elaboration. Actually, implied authority is by way of the implied consent of the principal and the agent. This is derived from the word and production of the party in the way they have acted in connection with one another. Case Chan Ying T. William Jack. The law can infer the correction of an agency by implication when the person by his contract hold out another person having authority from him. Section 140 and illustration contract X1950.
Hey, thank you. Okay, now it's my turn. As you can see, it's like I want to talk about the conclusion. In conclusion, since Sandra is still 16 years old, she is the minor and she cannot enter the contract because she is still underage. And one more thing, she is a student. Then this can interfere her study. And next slide is Maxim Kevin and principle with relevant provision. Where is this possible discovered? The inspection, the quality and condition of the goods and their fitness for a particular purpose. The buyer will generally lose any legal right that may have existed against the seller if the goods are not satisfactory. Each party is negotiation on equal terms, and so the maxim caveat after let the buyer beware prevails. Buyer have only themselves to blame if they fail to make a careful inspection of the goods before they purchase them.
I will present question 2, which is to Roman. Discuss the exception available on the main of caveat emptor principle with the situation above. So, my answer is Melvin and Sandra wrote to Lala Bank in Kuala Lumpur applying to open a current account in their names and stating they were partners of a firm, and checks of the account would be signed by both of them. Both Melvin and Sandra came to De La Salle company to buy 2 units of piano for Melvin's Piano Academy. This thing will make Melvin and Sandra will generally lose any legal rights that may existed against the seller if the goods are not satisfactory. However, while the idea of caveat emptor is to encourage buyers to take care, there are circumstances in which the application of the common law rule would prove unjust. 2 examples would be: the first one is when there is no reasonable opportunity for inspection, and the second one when the buyer has to rely on the special knowledge or expert judgment of the seller. As a result, whether buyer is at disadvantage, the sale of goods or SOGA implies a number of terms into such contracts as either condition or warranties The distinction between condition and warranties under the law of contract is preserved by the sales of goods legislation. So that's all from me. Thank you.